Good morning, students. In the previous chapter, we have seen that there are so many objects around us. Even on the way to your school, you must have seen so many things like buses, cars, trees, animals, human being, etc. But the question is how we see the objects, and are we able to see all these objects in night also? So for that, we will discuss the chapter light, shadows and reflection. So firstly, let's see what are the important topics and subtopics which we are going to discuss in this chapter. First is introduction, in which we will see what are luminous and non-luminous objects. Second topic है ट्रांसपेरेंट, ओपेक एंड ट्रांसलूसेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स क्या हैं एंड लाइट का इन पे क्या इफेक्ट पड़ता है. Third is what exactly are shadows, in which we will see the formation of shadows. Fourth topic है a pinhole camera. Pinhole camera क्या है? And last topic is mirror and reflection. So let's begin with our first topic, and that is introduction. Student, we see so many objects around us. Now what are these objects? It can be a sofa, it can be a painting, it can be a whiteboard, it can be chair or table. Not about the objects only, but we can see the beautiful nature like river, mountain, trees, etc. And apart from this, we read the book by seeing. Okay, without seeing we cannot read the book. We also see each other in various places. So overall we see so many things. Now very important question is what enable us to see the things around us. ऐसी क्या चीज है जिसकी वजह से हम थिंग्स को आसानी से देख सकते हैं. सो द आंसर इज दिस, लाइट. Light enable us to see the things. Okay, as you can see, light is very important to see the things around us, and it plays very crucial role in our life. Now we see different types of lights around us. Okay, like traffic light, diya or candle light, laser light, torch light, and very important things, these all are the light, but the ultimate source of light is sun. So overall the sun is the ultimate source of light. Okay, so these are the different types of light which comes out from the different sources, and these help us to view the things. Now do you know that there are some objects which do not produce light? सो इन ऑब्जेक्ट्स को हम दो कैटेगरी में डिवाइड करते हैं. फर्स्ट कैटेगरी है लूमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट्स एंड सेकंड कैटेगरी है इल्यूमिनेटेड ऑब्जेक्ट्स की. सो वेरी फर्स्ट वी कैन सी सम ऑब्जेक्ट्स लाइक टॉर्च, बल्ब, दिया, कैंडल आर मेंशन्ड हियर. दीज आर ऑब्जेक्ट्स प्रोड्यूस देयर ओन लाइट. ओके, ये अपनी लाइट को खुद प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, एंड दीज आर कॉल्ड लूमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट्स. ऑन द अदर साइड कुछ ऐसे ऑब्जेक्ट्स भी हैं जो अपनी लाइट को खुद प्रोड्यूस नहीं करते हैं, फिर भी वो हमें दिखाई देती हैं, एंड दिस इज जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. दीज ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर नॉट कैपेबल टू प्रोड्यूस लाइट, but they are capable to reflect the light to our eyes, okay, which is coming from the luminous object. Here the important thing, they are coming from the luminous object. The light is coming from the luminous objects and they are reflecting the light to our eyes. Okay, so here you can see these are the different things like house, tree, bed, chair, etc. These are called illuminated objects. Next we will talk about transparent, translucent and opaque objects. Students, as we all know that light falls on so many objects. But what will happen when light falls on certain objects? So image is formed, and mirror is the best example of this. When we are talking about light, it could be light of a bulb, it could be light of sun, It could be light of tube light, etc. If light falls on some objects like a school bag, blackboard, etc., then what will happen? Then shadows is formed. But if we take a glass window, so it will simply pass through. सो इन सब ऑब्जेक्ट्स का लाइट की प्रेजेंस में अलग अलग बिहेव होता है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं ट्रांसपेरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स. ऑब्जेक्ट्स विच अलाउ लाइट टू पास थ्रू दैम आर कॉल्ड ट्रांसपेरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स. ओके, सो थ्रू these objects light can pass easily and we can easily see objects on the other side. Okay, second is translucent object. Object which partially allow light to pass through them are called translucent objects. Through these objects light can pass but partially, and we can partially see the objects on the other side. And third is opaque objects. Objects which do not allow light to pass through them are called opaque objects. These objects does not allow light to pass through. So what will happen? Simply a shadow will appear in this case. Okay, now let's see the examples of these objects. As you can see, glass window allow light to pass through, so it is called transparent. Okay, second, sunlight partially allow the light to pass through, so we call it translucent. And last, a school bag does not allow light to pass through, so it is called opaque. Okay, now these are some more examples of these kind of objects. In first column there are some examples of transparent objects like glass window, glass, fish pot, etc. Okay, these are transparent objects. In the second column there are some examples of opaque objects like a dice, banana, metal glass, etc. And in third column there are some examples of translucent objects like a light colored glass window, monitor of a computer, etc. Okay, so now here is an activity for you. You will have to make a table on a rough notebook. Okay, like this I have mentioned here, and you will have to write whether you can view through the objects or not, and what type of object is this. So I have taken some objects here. You can see you will have to add more objects in this list. So first is pencil. So can we view through the pencil? So answer will be not at all. Okay, why so? Because pencil is an opaque material. In the same way you will have to make a list according to yourself, okay, on a rough notebook. So that's all for this video. In next video we will talk about shadows and their formation.